Hello, friends. Trying not to catch coronavirus. So today, I had to download a new version of my VS Code because I was having some trouble with it. So I figured I'd make a quick little tutorial. So I work in React mostly, but when I opened up my React, like if I was trying to use Emmet to do like an H1 and then hit tab, it wasn't working, which isn't normally the case. So if you want to enable Emmet to be able to work with JSX, it's really simple. So just go up here to code, go to preferences, go to settings, and then once you get there, you have all these on the side here, text editor, workbench. Just go to extensions, go to Emmet, and then right here you can either do what I do is here where it says included languages, just edit in JSON settings.json, go to that. So then in here, the only reason it has that window zoom level 2 is because I have my window zoomed in a little bit so you can see it. But right here, you just go Emmet, Emmet dot included languages, and then that'll give you an object, and then you type in JavaScript, and then we're going to want to include JavaScript React. No camel case on that. And then save that. Then let's go back here and let's do an H1. Hit tab. It works. Something here. Save it. And then, yeah. So Emmet works now. And that was really easy. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't catch coronavirus later.